eh. Pero paglalaban ko yung aming group. Kailangan kumanta din kami.
Okay, loyalty ah.
Okay. Kumagat na awit namin.
Itatranslate ni Brother Ronnie ang kailangan kakatahin. Gusto ko nyo i-translate? Itatranslate. Pag hindi mo i-translate, wala kang dinner.
Yung pamagat namin Increase in Everything.
Oh, yung pamagat.
This song is composed by Sister Early.
Thank you. Sino nag-arrange?
Kami lahat.
Translator.
Yung translator na saan?
Yan.
Sige.
Okay, start. God will make a way. He will increase our daily bread. He will increase our service. Increase in everything. Sing it once again. God will make a way. He will increase our everything. He will increase our service. Increase in everything. For the last time. God will make a way. He will increase our daily bread. He will increase our service. Increase in everything. Increase in everything. Increase in everything.
Thank you. Ayan, pakapaka nyo naman. Ayan. Itatranslate mo?